Math Analysis, Chapter 4, Pretest. Problem number 1. Simplify or give the prime factorization of 56,700. So let's do that. $56,700. The first prime number that'll fit evenly into that is 2. So if I'm going 56,700 divided by 2, I get 28,350. 28,350. That is still even, so I can divide that by 2 again. And here I get 14,175. 175. And let's see, this is going to be divisible by 3. And if I divide that by 3, I get 4,725. See, adding those up, 4 and 7 is 11, 12, 13, and 5 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, therefore the number itself is divisible by 3. So I divide that by 3 again. 1,575. $18 again if I add up those 4 digits, so divide by 3 again. 525. Add those 3 up, I get 12, divisible by 3 again. 175. And let's see, that one's not divisible by 3, so I'm going to 5. So I divide that by 5. I get 35. Divide that by 5, I get 7. So, the prime factorization, so 56,700 is equal to 2 squared times 3 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to the 4th times 5 squared times 7. So if I take the square root of 56,700, that's equal to the square root of this, which is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5 squared times the square root of 7. So I have 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 5 times 5 is 25, times the square root of 7. So here I got 2 times 9, that's 18, times 25, square root of 7. So 18 times 25, 450 square root of 7. So that would be, that is the square root of 56,700 in simplest radical form. Alright, so that's number 1. Number 2, they ask you to simplify the following expressions. So if I have the square root of 28x cubed y to the 5th, 28x cubed y to the 5th, that's going to be equal to the square root of 28 times the square root of x cubed times the square root of y to the 5th. This is equal to square root of 4 times the square root of 7. This is going to be x square root of x, and this is going to be y squared square root of y. Okay, so here I've got 2 x, y squared, square root of 7, square root of x, square root of y. So final answer would be 2xy squared, square root 7xy. That would be my answer for number 2. Number 3, here I have 4 times the square root of 49, x squared, y cubed, x squared, y cubed, z to the fourth. This is equal to 4 times the square root of 49 times the square root of x squared times the square root of y to the third times the square root of z to the fourth. Okay, so that's equal to 4, that's equal to 7, that's equal to x, that's equal to y, square root of y, and that's equal to c squared. So final answer is 28 x, y, z squared, square root of x.